What's up, you guys? Well, we're back. I wanted to give you guys an update on the LY6 build for the 94 S10 swap that I got planned. If you've noticed, I've got all my rods sitting here with no pistons on them. The pistons I've got right here are all flat top pistons. So, since I pretty much am decided on what I want to do with this thing, I'm going to go with an LSA blower on this setup. Now, things are going to start to snowball just a little bit, but I'm going to try to Craigslist finagle upgrade my way into the setup that I want. So, I'm going to sell these guys. These are flat top 2cc valve relief, flat top pistons. What I'm looking for is a set of 15cc dish pistons. I'm shooting for about 9-to-1 compression ratio. So, I've got forged rods. I'm going to have the right forged pistons. That brings me to my next point. I want to go with a 4-inch forged stroke crank. So I'm going to get rid of this guy, this factory crank, as well as the original pistons. I ended up cleaning them up and they look great. So, with this stuff I should get a couple $100s out of. It's going to be a best offer kind of deal, but it's going to help me get to where I want to be. The reason being is I want to get the bottom end set up right the first time around. I don't ever want to have to go back in it, re-upgrade everything, get everything rebalanced and all that. So, I do miss my old 408. Rest in peace to that 408. So I'm going to rebuild her. I'm going to get her back the way it was in the previous setup, but with low compression pistons and forged everything. So that's the plan with it. I already got the rings, so then the only thing I need is those pistons and the new crank. So once I have that, then I'll be able to put the short block together and proceed to the next step. I need to get some cylinder heads, which I'll probably just use like stock LS3 heads, and yeah, we'll go from there. I'll put a decent setup together, so we'll make some really nice power. It's going to be interesting, I can promise you that, and it will be blown, and it will have 180-degree headers. So they're going to be a custom set. It's looking like I was thinking about using a pre-existing set of headers, but if I'm going with the blower, I'm going to want to go with some large tubes. So, it's going to be a lot of challenges ahead of me. So I hope you guys stay tuned and you will see those challenges unfold and what I do to overcome them. So I appreciate you guys watching. There's a couple other channels that I wanted to give a shout out to. The first of those being Hunto's Garage. Now, this guy you should definitely check out. He puts out a lot of exciting automotive content, and I know you guys will enjoy his stuff. He does a lot of video editing, and he puts a lot of effort into his videos, and they're very entertaining. One project that he's currently working on is the same generation Camaro that I have, and his actually was a V6 car. He's actually sticking with the 3.8 liter supercharged engine out of a Pontiac GTP or maybe like a Buick Aurora. Now, if you're not familiar with those cars, they came with an M90 Eaton supercharger on them from the factories. Be sure to check out his channel and see what kind of crazy stuff he gets into. Now, the other channel I want you guys to check out is Mike's Tool Shed. Now, I've known Mike for quite some time, and basically he started a YouTube channel that is taking off very well. So I want you guys to check out his channel. What he does is he does all kinds of tool reviews, all kinds of job-related shenanigans. He's a master electrician, and he's got all his certifications. He really knows his stuff. He's a very smart guy. So check out his channel as well. So I appreciate you guys watching my channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see some more updates from this bad baby. Oh, and one other thing, I am videoing every day, just like I mentioned before, so I'm going to keep that up. I'm going to finish out the 30 days video that I'm currently making every day. So that will post. I won't stop on the 19th like I originally thought. Those videos are going to overlap because I'm a couple days behind on my schedule. So I will keep that up. And after that's up, I'm going to take a little break and start just posting on like maybe a once-a-week basis. We'll start getting into some LS content very soon, so stay tuned.